What once sounded like science fiction is now real. Israel has officially brought a laser weapon into active military service. It's called Iron Beam, and it represents a major shift in how air defense works. Developed by Israeli defense company Rafael, Iron Beam is a high-energy laser system designed to intercept aerial threats like rockets, mortars, and drones. Unlike traditional missile interceptors, this system doesn't fire explosives. Instead, it uses a concentrated beam of energy to destroy targets mid-air. And now it's operational. Iron Beam is designed to work alongside Israel's existing layered air defense network, which includes systems like Iron Dome, David Sling, and Arrow. While those systems rely on missiles, Iron Beam adds something entirely new to the battlefield: directed energy. The biggest advantage? Cost. Intercepting a rocket with a missile can cost tens of thousands of dollars. Firing a laser, on the other hand, costs little more than electricity. That means Iron Beam can engage threats repeatedly without worrying about expensive ammunition or supply limits. According to Rafael, the system offers near unlimited firing capability, allowing defenders to counter large numbers of incoming threats without running out of interceptors. Iron Beam uses a solid-state laser that locks onto a target and focuses intense energy on a precise point. Within seconds, the heat damages the target's structure, causing it to fail and fall before reaching its destination. Because the system destroys threats without explosions, it also reduces the risk of debris falling into populated areas, a critical advantage when defending cities. This technology didn't appear overnight. Rafael spent years overcoming major technical challenges, including keeping the laser stable, accurate, and powerful enough over long distances. Tracking fast-moving targets in real time while maintaining a focused energy beam required breakthroughs in sensors, optics, and control systems. Rafael's leadership describes Iron Beam as a game changer, saying it fundamentally alters the economics of air defense. Instead of expensive missiles chasing cheap threats, a low-cost laser can neutralize them efficiently. The system is particularly effective against small drones and short-range projectiles, exactly the kinds of threats that are becoming more common in modern conflicts. By entering operational service, Iron Beam becomes one of the first laser air defense systems in the world to move beyond testing and into real-world use. And this is likely just the beginning. The success of Iron Beam opens the door to future laser-based defense systems, possibly mobile versions, naval systems, or even higher-powered variants capable of engaging more complex threats. For decades, lasers were seen as a promising idea that never quite made it to the battlefield. With Iron Beam, that era may be coming to an end. A weapon powered by light is no longer the future. It's already here.